Once the melons reach the right stage of maturity, harvesting equipment brings them in from the field.
From here, the freshly harvested melons begin their journey through a carefully controlled food processing environment.
The first check is all about quality and consistency.
Before the fruit moves deeper into the facility, every melon goes through a thorough cleaning stage. Now the whole fruit is opened, revealing the fresh flesh that will become the base of the juice.
Once the fruit has been broken down, the liquid is separated from the remaining solids and moves into the next stage.
The batch looks consistent. We can move it forward.
After filtration, the juice goes through another refinement stage to achieve a clean and consistent appearance.
The color and consistency look right.
Before the juice reaches the bottles, the containers themselves go through a final automated check. With the containers prepared and inspected, the finished watermelon juice is precisely portioned into each bottle.
Everything is looking good on this run.
Once the bottles pass their final checks, they are grouped and packed for distribution.
From a whole watermelon in the field to a finished bottle, every stage brings the product one step closer to the consumer.